Notice the CIM file deep inside your Windows system folders and not sure what it touches? This is a core Windows Management Database file that you'll want to understand before making changes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and here's what you need to know about CIM repository files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical CIM data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. CIM files are Windows Management Instrumentation, repository database files that store the common information model schema, defining system management classes, properties, methods, and associations. They form the backbone of WMI, enabling remote administration, scripting, and system monitoring on Windows platforms. WMI CIM repository files use a proprietary binary database format stored in the System32 WBM repository folder. The repository comprises multiple files including objects, data mapping tables, and INDEX.BTR files that together define the CIM class hierarchy, namespace structure, and instance data. The optimal viewer for the CIM format is generally considered to be Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI, from Microsoft Corporation. Windows requires elevated permissions for the file, which dedicated software manages automatically. Windows hides them from standard browsing to protect core components. To open this specific CIM file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI, is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. If your CIM file will not open, do not worry. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the CIM file won't cooperate. First, viewing WMI classes. Open PowerShell and run get WMI object. List to browse CIM classes stored in the repository. Use the WMI Explorer tool from Microsoft or the free WMI Explorer by Sapien for a graphical interface to browse namespaces, classes, properties, and methods defined in the CIM repository. Next, repairing the repository. If WMI queries fail, the CIM repository may be corrupted. Open an elevated command prompt and run winmgmt verify repository to check integrity. If errors are found, run winmgmt salvage repository to attempt repair, or winbmt reset repository as a last resort to rebuild the WMI database. Finally, querying CIM data. Use PowerShell. CIM CMDlets, such as getSIM instance. Class name Win32 operating system to query system information from the repository. The CIM CMDlets are the modern replacement for older WMI CMDlets, offering better performance and standards compliance for system administration and monitoring scripts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagic.com for the program. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.